Here we are at the Parkall Country Park and LYAMM Quarry National Reserve, a wetland walk. Map of the walk in the area, some details. There we go. Now, I'm not going to start the walk from what would be considered the normal starting position, but I hope that some of you find this of interest and enjoy the journey. In there, I don't know if you can see him, he's coming out. Isn't that brilliant? Right at the start of the woods here, sun coming through. It's about 6:15 in the morning. Chilly. Isn't that beautiful? When you think back that hundreds of years ago the whole country was covered in this. Just beautiful. About 6:30 in the morning. This is a little bit off the trail, but I thought I'd show you this. When you see the mist in the distance there, in the valley, as the sun comes up. Look at that. I think that's beautiful. Very, very typical of English meadowland. Chilly. As you can see, it's going to be a nice day. How beautiful is that? This, I guess, would be typical English, I don't know, woodland. Trees there, beautiful. Up there's a hill. So back on the trail. This once, up to about 7 or 8 years ago, was actually a golf course. It's no longer in use as a golf course and now has been let to go wild. It was owned by the council and has now become part of the nature reserve, Parkall Country Nature Reserve, Stoke on Trent. You can see This was once a fairway. And now look, grass has returned. Yeah, I can see the insects, bees there. Yeah, isn't that brilliant? So once where there was a golf course, now there's wildlife. Look at that bee there. I don't know if you can pick that up. Let's try and get in. There he is. That has to be good for the environment. Oh, a rabbit. There's a rabbit over there. There he goes. I can't if he's still there. It's probably gone now. There's a rabbit there though. Went from over there to over there. That's what it's about, isn't it? Surprises. Look at the beauty of this. Just look at that on a beautiful summer's day. Gosh, you could want more.